Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Tiguan key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. This simple DIY task can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, press the small button on the side of your key fob to release the emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you will see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot. Twist or gently pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry the old battery out of its compartment using your tool. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's secure. Finally, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. For other great deals and the link to those fantastic meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.